If you are a One Piece avid fan, you will gonna love this ROM. Who wouldn't love One Piece anyway?
海賊王に俺はなる。
祭り話が聞こえてきたんで出てきた。
最近暑いな。誰か。
よほほほ天気予報。
スーパーにサプ
私たちの船長には。
These under-display fingerprint sensor icons, or UDFPS, are pre-installed in the OrionOS custom ROM for Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Guide on how to install this ROM is provided in the description box. To activate and use these super cool fingerprint icons, of course, you need to enable your fingerprint unlock option. Thereafter, proceed to Orion Spaces menu, then go to Lock Screen menu under UDFPS icon picker option. You will find all these icons. Just simply click and choose. Please like and subscribe for more tips. Cheers!